Meet me outside, meet me outside. Bitcoin, crypto, don't go for a ride. If you're gonna get your surfboard, get it tied. Wall Street Pete, sick dough, crypto. Please don't flip though. I'm not always right though. I'm not a financial advisor, but just a gentleman wearing a visor. Yeah, it's time to hustle. It's just so simple, I'ma solve this puzzle. And if you didn't know that you're feeling puzzled, it's TA, baby. Come on right over. Got one job, I got 1, 2, 3. I'll take 4 more just for me. I'm buying crypto, I'm buying crypto. I'm dollar cost averaging, don't you know? You buy the dip, you have a sip, take a rip. Call me captain of this shit. I don't give a fuck, my name is Skip. XRP, Cardano, Ethereum. Take that shit right down to the cilium. I'ma put my fist through this shit. We're going to the moon and we're going soon. Alright, the name is Wall Street Pete. Crypto in crypto. I thought you'd know. We on YouTube. You wake up in the morning, crack of dawn at Wall Street Pete. We talk about live TA. We talk about paying our bills and staying alive and doing the shit and making it great. Let me say, I'm tired of struggling every day. Wall Street Pete, sick dough in crypto. Want to learn how to make sick dough in crypto every day? You hit that like, hit that subscribe. Talking about going on a ride and go to the moon. So, what's going on, everybody? I'm excited. I'm pumped. Changed my life, Post Malone. Austin, you're the man. Had a great time last night in Camden, New Jersey, watching one of my favorite performers. He's a legend. Had a great time, and I'm in a really good mood. It's a great time to talk about crypto. I hope you like cryptocurrency. I hope you were interested in the charts. Perhaps talk about the S&P. We're talking about the traditional markets if you would like to. But more importantly right now, hit that like button. You're not going to miss nothing. So please, if you could, all-time high subscribers. We're thriving and going through the times. And right now, if you've made it through this time, you've gone through one of the worst bear crypto market in history. So get excited about that. Hit the bell on notification. We're going to talk a little bit about some stuff here. There's a lot to talk about. I don't even know what to start with here. Coinbase stock is up 175% this year. 3 reasons why I'm still buying. I am not into the buying, but I will have to say this was a no-brainer and will continue to be a no-brainer. I do agree pretty much with it. Due in time, Coinbase is going to continue to show its thriving skills and how SEC can jump on them all they want. And it's just funny because today I had God give me a little sign here. I don't know if you get those once in a while. Hit the like and subscribe, that sort of thing. We're with Wall Street Pete this morning. SEC charges quantum stamp over 28 million ICO. And the best part about it was this: for a more human internet, WorldCoin. And that's what today's thing is about. So did not do this on purpose, but I scrolled down, saw the advertisement, and went bonkers. Like, wow, are you telling me we're supposed to tell everyone about WorldCoin today? So we're going to talk about WorldCoin today. We're talking about the crypto news, keeping you up to date every morning from the Wall Street man himself, almost a decade on the trading floor. So here we are now in the crypto space. Binance withdraws crypto license application with German regulator BaFin. Binance issues in Europe continue to escalate as the crypto exchange faces another regulatory setback in Germany. So pay close attention. Today is July 26th, hump day. And if you remember the video 2 weeks ago, go on the YouTube channel. Everything is there. Nothing is deleted. It's all time-stamped. It is all there for you to see if we're wrong or right, however you want to put it. But I did say 2 weeks ago, Dogecoin is about to ride up to about 10 cents. Of course, what's happening? Well, 2 weeks later, Dogecoin is up 25%. What would you like to know? Would you like to know the second before it happens and you're too late? Or would you like to get a heads up before these sort of things are about to occur? So things that are happening, we get the intel. We already know. We're going to change Twitter into the X, integrating Dogecoin as perhaps some way in. He's been trying to do this forever. He's just waiting. So what's happening here? We're keeping you up to date. Litecoin, only 7 days away from its halving. So you must pay attention to what Litecoin is doing and why it's so important, because we live off the face of talking about how this Bitcoin halving in the 4-year cycle is really going to change things. So we could be trading all the way to 200,000 Bitcoin before you know it. It really sounds silly, but I'll tell you, once this Bitcoin adoption starts coming in with BlackRock and they do approve, it's over. So what are we going to talk about today? We're talking about WorldCoin. Why? We're going to talk about Tom Cruise just a little bit, why it's so important, and how the AI, ChatGPT, and all these things are ruining today. Pretty soon, these videos are going to be so real with the face paste. They're basically putting fake faces on making it look like the real person. They're going to be committing murder on video and going to think that it's that person. You're not even able to say or do anything without really wondering if it was that person or not, impersonating, doing fake AI. So World's Coin newly deployed. WLD is the abbreviation if you want to check it out on the charts. We particularly have it here on TradingView. It's a 15, we have a 15-minute. This is a bullish flag right here, seeing how we went. Did go July 24th. That's when it launched. Now on Binance here, if you can see, though, we're getting a bullish flag coming in. So we're going to talk more about that as we continue. But WorldCoin, one of the newest coins coming in. The much-anticipated crypto project co-founded by OpenAI's boss, Sam Altman, deployed its coin on Monday, July 24th, a few hours ago. Please hit the like. We are trying to get as many people to get into the algorithm. They shadow ban this all the time. So, Anthony, I do appreciate your good morning. Good morning to you and everyone else who's watching. Several leading crypto exchanges in the U.S. and globally listed the coin on their trading platforms with a big move. Crypto Puppets in the house. What's up? Nice to have you in the chat. The super chat, it's awesome to see you in. I'm glad you're here and you're listening because we got some big things to talk about. Also, the coin's price surged over 20% because of the large volume. This may continue to grow, and I think in 2024 we are going to see significant growth. Now, what is this? And that's what a lot of people want to know. Well, what is WorldCoin? Well, it's an eye-scanning crypto launched by AI CEO. And if you watch what I talked about, well, I kind of called out Elon Musk, and it's bad. And we're going to talk about how this affects us, Bitcoin, so stay tuned. Please don't leave. Fed set to raise interest rates to the 22-year high after June pause. Lots to talk about this morning, so please hit that like and subscribe. And lots to talk about here. We saw Post Malone last night. I'm pretty excited. And I called out Elon Musk on my YouTube channel. I thought I did. Maybe I didn't send the video out yet. This is finally going to check you out, Elon. Are you an alien or are you human? The crypto project is focused, right? Talking about what it does, the identity. Well, it scans your eyes. This is not a joke. It's pretty insane. So with OpenAI working towards building responsible AGI, its CEO appears to recognize the need for human privacy online, especially considering how popular the AI chatbots like ChatGPT have become. So with the world, we have to continue to adapt, right? Thank you, Pete. Nice to hear you. It's nice to hear from you, Steph, for life. Thank you so much for joining. Can't believe you're here. This is awesome. So here we go. Real quick video. I don't want to get the copyright, but watch this shit.
There, Steve. Hey, what's up, TikTok? Look, I do a lot of my own
stuff. This is Tom Cruise, guys, but it's not.
But I also do a lot of industrial cleanup.
You would really think this is him.
So, obviously, you keep your hands clean.
Dude, it's really dangerous. It went viral.
The TikTok tips. I'm getting too old for that. I don't...
Somebody made this, and what's happening is AI is getting too strong. And now what's happening? Well, cryptocurrency's coming out with sort of things to stop this, and that's what WorldCoin could be. And in this particular article, I was just Googling, doing some research, as none of this is financial advice. These are some of the things I do for you. Why you hit the like and subscribe, because we go over it and we talk about it in the charts. If you can only buy one crypto, it better be one of these names. They're talking about Ethereum, WorldCoin, and a couple others. But I think WorldCoin is definitely one of them to pay attention to. So please pay attention to that. We'll go over it in the charts in a minute. We're going to do that, Bitcoin, and possibly Ethereum. So I hope you're excited for that. Federal Reserve to follow through with a 0.25 basis, 25% basis rate hike Wednesday. That is today. Like another next meeting. So we have another one till September. But unfortunately, it looks like these are going to be nothing but rate hikes. So currently right now in the crypto space, we are 1.18 trillion market cap. We do have a fall, and I do believe we'll get a dead cat bounce, which is coming up a little bit, making you think that Bitcoin is coming back to a higher price, which will not happen, and then dump further. So we're going to talk about that right sort of thing if you're excited. Since we went over WorldCoin, perhaps we could break it down into a 15-minute. It's going to be difficult to get some of the things I want, some of the things here that I use to help me understand where we could be going. But let's take a look at it. Let's have for fun here. I do see the bullish flag coming in. EMA, exponential moving average, is one of the indicators I pay attention to. And if you can see what's happening here, we are breaking a trend. And what the trend was to the upside here. You can see that trend is now finito. So let's see, we'll get rid of it now. I just wanted to see it from that perspective. And what you see here now, we're going to wait for this action. This is what we're going to look for. And as we get really, really tight, you'll see something similar to that retest and a bounce. Ultimately, a huge upward W, but I was looking at some of the indicators to see where we may have been. Where we're going to go, if you look at the oscillator, RSI is pretty low. This is a 15-minute though, so it's a short time frame, even though both of them, I want to get to the oversold zone down here. But you can see the trend now, as I said. Real quick, WorldCoin, we're going to go to Bitcoin because Bitcoin's important, but you can see the trend going up is now over. We are now starting the trend towards the down side. So we'll see what happens when that stops. We'll create new higher lows. Right now, as long as we can continue to break and stay above the 223, it's a very vital, very important level. It's about 223 to 230. We don't break below there, we can actually be creating something caused by a huge upward W, which would then cause this over time. As you can see, people hear more and more about this asset. We will be here and continue to get resistance. Let's see, we're at the 245. So we're looking to break 250. Once this asset finishes a daily candle above $2.50, you will then find this asset here. Break above, you will then find this, and you would have to go to a daily, so you could tell how much time we got to go. Look, this is where we're at. We would need to finish a daily candle above here, which is the previous day. So that's what we're looking to do, 250. If that happens, you could tell we're off to $5, and as that happens, show me new high, I'll show you new buy. So I'm buying. It's worth the risk. Be careful, because this has been going up. As you can see, the up days are slowing down, so we could be consolidating a little bit here, coming down, retracing all the way to $2 and then come back up. So please be careful buying this asset. You're probably going to lose 30 cents to the dollar, to the $2 on this. So please be very careful. That is a quick world token. Just wanted to talk a little bit about it. I was excited this morning to speak of it. AI, the future, everything about this is so important. So please comment, hit the like button, be active. We need people to get this. The shadow banning is at its all-time greatest. Had a great time. Post Malone, like I said, he even had a song that we did not even hear yet. It comes out Friday, and I taped it. Of course, I'm not going to record it. I would not want somebody releasing my new song before I was releasing it. That would piss me off, so we're not doing that. But here we go. Let's talk about it right now. Ethereum and Bitcoin. Let's get into the charts. As you can see here right now, we are currently getting the oversold zone. Last time we did that, we got a double bottom oversold zone here. I like what I see. As you can see here right now, this is what I'm looking to do. I don't know why it's not working. Hopefully we are continuing to go. Let's see why, but that's usually once you lose connection here, that stops. I'm trying to see if we're not getting our circles there. There it is. I can't circle it for whatever reason, but down here we're looking to get the oversold where we did before. Down below, looks like we're going to get one more tick down. This is what I'm seeing, and what's happening is the 28,277 is real. I do expect if we come through, and I wish I knew why this isn't cooperating, I expect to come up and test Bitcoin to the 29,800. We're going to hit a little resistance here. What will happen? We'll get a dead cat bounce coming through and then be able to buy this 28.7. My buy order. This is my financial advice. This is not financial advice. This is my advice. I come back, watch the video. What's Wall Street be doing? I remind myself on the charts. I believe it or not, I watch this shit. I feel like Joe Biden speaking right now. I'm sorry, I'm backwards. I had a long night last night. It was up very, very late. Usually not up that late. But as you can see here, ascending channel. Very important for the daily. Ascending channel. We've been doing this since January of 2023. You can see on the bottom here. You can't see it. There it is. 2023, January 17th. We've been riding this for the whole year of 2023. Every time we get into this zone, we bounce significantly. So don't be surprised if 27,500 is the bottom of this peak. It can happen. Now, it may not happen, but I want people to understand how important, for whatever reason, it's not working. I must have locked something on here. So aggravating. But I'll do it on here. I don't know why it's not working there. It'll work on this chart. Here we go. So I'll show you right here. This is what I'm talking about, 27.5. It's so important to hold that price. You can see here on this right here. So we'll continue. And as for coming down, these are the two asset prices for your Bitcoin. I'm sorry, I'm a little dyslexic this morning. But these are your dollar cost average buying in. This is what I'm doing here. I'm going to pay attention to that. We won't break through below. If we do, we have an issue. I will not buy no more at this level. The only time I would even consider it is if we retest the 25,000. I don't expect none of this to occur. Like I said, we're over here in the oversold zone. I'm hoping that that continues before whatever that chart is not working. So I do apologize, but here we are on this one, showing you the last time that we did this on May 25th of this year. You can see we got a dead cat bounce. May 25th, we sprung up. We got excited, retested 28, and then came down. I predicted most of this. I even predicted this particular exact breakout. If you're new to the channel, I advise you to go all the way to the June 14th video or somewhere in that realm of time and watch how we called it all the way up. This is our chance all the way to 37,000. So I do believe these are the two buyback zones. Let's get into Ethereum, and we're out of here. 20-minute video, 15-minute video isn't too bad. Like I said, right shoulder looking to occur here. So we're on Ethereum, still hoping to do that. As you can see here, looking very, very bullish. We could retest to the 1790 for Ethereum. As you can see, we're getting a huge buy signal down here. I love the buy signal for Ethereum I'm receiving. I do see the trend continuing. As I said, same kind of thing with Bitcoin coming all the way into 2023, the new year. It has unbelievably showed me the strength here in this area. And as you can see here, all the way from that time frame, this ascending channel has not broken yet. And I will continue to watch this as we get this mini head and shoulders, left shoulder, inverted head, hoping to get this big breakout now coming soon. Where could we hit resistance? Well, we have to break above the 2120. So that is your update. I do believe that that's where we're looking to go. We'll see what happens. 2120 for Ethereum must break. If we can get above here on a daily candle, we shall be off all the way up to 2400 easily. So I'm excited. My name is Wall Street Pete, sick dough in crypto. I know we talk a lot about the crypto space. I know we talk about a lot of things outside. Please become a follower on the Instagram chat if you would like to. It's a great time. I do appreciate everyone's love. Been through some hard times, right? I'm human. And I'll tell you right now, if you're feeling like you need to get out, go to a Post Malone. Check out one of these tours. Go to one of them. Check him out. I love this guy. He talks about peace and love. And I'll tell you right now, there's not enough people in this world that do that. And I'm one of them. I think we need more love in this world. There's a lot of hate, not enough love. And that's why I said when I help people, feed people. This is one of the things I want to do on the channel. I want to get bigger and grow stronger. And the only way you could do that is with other people. Can one person change the world? I was told you can. But I'll tell you right now, one person can't do it without a bunch of others. So the stronger you are, it's the more people you have with you. The more people in your life, the more disappointment you have. So it's kind of like pros and cons here. But you have to remember, expect the least amount, and you'll be grateful for the most things that you receive. So, Wall Street Pete, signal in crypto. I hope to see you in the next video. I do hope you enjoyed the world coin, a little bit of some education of what we see about this, how the scanning of the eyeballs. It's going to take some time for that to really thrive, right? Nobody's scanning eyeballs to see if we're human right now. But hey, the next 20 years or 10, 15 years, you never know. This may be so useful. Some of these things sound like a joke. Sounds like the land of make-believe sometimes, and that's what Bitcoin and crypto is about. Before it becomes real and everyone jumps on this wagon and we're really thriving more. 2024, wait till you see what happens with Bitcoin. It's been a wild ride. Wall Street Pete, sick dough in crypto. I hope you enjoy your Wednesday. I will see you shortly. Please hit the bell, all notifications. Share this with a friend if you find this useful. Please hit the like button if you enjoyed the video. And I thank you, everybody, for taking your time out in your busy day to watch this crazy man. Love y'all.